If you're looking for an easy way to organize and share your projects in Descript, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through creating and sharing project folders in Descript and how this can streamline your workflow, especially if you're just getting started with the software. First, let's dive into creating a project folder. When you open Descript, you'll find a clean, user-friendly interface. To get started, click the Man's New Project Ads button. You'll see an option to create a folder for your project. Folders are great for keeping everything organized, especially if you're working on multiple related projects. Click Create Folder. Give it a name that represents your project and hit Create. Now you have a dedicated space for all your project files, from audio and video clips to text and notes. Next, let's talk about adding files to your folder. Simply drag and drop your media files, whether they're audio, video, or even screen recordings, right into your project folder. Descript automatically organizes them into the folder, and it's easy to access them whenever you need to. You'll be able to see your media appear instantly, making it effortless to start editing. Now that your folder is set up, let's move on to sharing. Sharing your project folder in Descript is simple. When you're ready to collaborate or share your work, click the Share As button located at the top of your project screen. From there, you can choose who to share your project with. You can generate a shareable link or invite specific people by entering their email addresses. Descript allows you to control the level of access. You can choose whether you want them to have e-view only access or full epoxy's editing permissions. It's perfect for collaborating with teammates or sharing drafts with clients. Don't worry about security. Descript ensures that only those with the proper permissions can view or edit your files. You'll also be able to track any changes or feedback in real time, making it a great tool for team collaboration. Now that you know how to create and share project folders in Descript, there's one thing to remember. Descript's ease of use doesn't stop at file management. The real magic is in the editing tools. If you want to dive deeper into editing, transcribing, and collaborating on media projects, you'll definitely want to explore all the features Descript offers. And here's a great tip for you. You can use Descript completely free from the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll have access to some extra features to help you get started faster. Before we wrap up, don't forget that sharing and organizing your projects in Descript isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, Descript's features make it a must-have tool for anyone serious about digital media. And remember, check out the exclusive and extended free trial linked below to get started with Descript today.